Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Kisha Modani. In case you're seeing me for the very first time, and I want to do this video quickly because it's like 6 something. It's like 6 something p.m. and I don't want the sun to go down before I finish doing this. So I not randomly because I'd planned to get some of the pieces. So I got some stuff today that I want to show you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if there's stuff that you will get for yourself. But as for me and my house, we're pretty excited about this. So I'll go ahead and so they're in this Mr. Price basket, but not everything was from Mr. Price, but I just kept everything here. So got these masks. There's a thing about getting black masks, but that's besides the point. That is not what we are here for. I'd opened this already. These are kitchen storage stuff that I got from Mr. Price. This is actually the only thing that I was supposed to get today, to be honest. And this is so beautiful. This is everything. This is heavenly. I love it. So I got this from Mr. Price home, and you can guess what it is for, just I guess, but it's so hard to open them. I can imagine if I had long nails. Yes, so this is for putting my bread. So it's a bread carrier. So it's a bread bean. They call it a bread bean with tea, coffee and sugar canisters. Okay, let me tell you, when I went to get this, actually I was getting this by itself, and then I ended up getting other freebies inside, and I was like, okay. So they come with this coffee, sugar, tea things that are equally as dope. So they're black. This how one looks like. So there are 3 of them, and this is how they look like. They're so sleek. So you just need to get some labels. I don't know where to get labels actually, because I've never gotten labels before. If you know where to get labels, let me know down in the comment section. But I'm like, look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's so cute, and it's so big. Like I can fit a lot of things in here. So there are 3 of them that look like this. So these are the one and this one. So I haven't even figured out what I'm going to put in here, to be honest, because for one, I don't take sugar, so I don't think I'm gonna have sugar here. I don't coffee is not my favorite thing on earth, so I don't think I'll have coffee, but I for sure have my tea at times. So I know that's gonna be for yeah, I'll figure it out anyway. I don't have to think about it a lot, but for sure this bread thing, my god, my goodness, I love it. I have some bread sitting there that is just waiting for its new home. So that aside, I also got something else. Okay, these are notebooks that I don't need to show you guys. Yes, so I got this from House of Leather. I got this because I wasn't looking for this, to be honest. I was looking for the bread thing, and then I happened to get this. So these are they're bamboo skewers, but I'm not using them for barbecues, whatever, mishkakis. No, I want to use them for my, let me show you. I want to use them for my scents. So I use this bottle for scents, this get a nice scent in the house. So I'll just replace whatever is in here with these sticks, because it should look a lot cuter, and they're a bit longer. As you can see, they're longer than the bottle, so they're gonna work. So I got those were 100 bob. Yeah, those are 100 bob from House of Leather. And then this baby, oh my god, you won't get the price. You would guess. You won't guess the price because it was so affordable. It was 4,500, 4,500. And to think that it also comes with these other babies, because I'm guessing this will go for like what, like 1200 by itself or something like that. So the fact that there are 3 and accompanied by the mother, mwah, spectacular. Okay, the other thing I got was this random thing, honestly, but it's not random because I've always wanted to get this for long, but honestly I didn't, and I don't know, honestly I don't know what the reason was why I did not get them. I don't know, to be honest, like wouldn't tell you why. But so this is like a calendar, so this is how it looks like, and as you can see, you can just put the date. So I can't wait to like do this every single morning as I wake up and I'm like, it's a new day, it's a new day, and these things keep falling. Lol. So yeah, and then I can see there's like space here, so I'll figure out what to put here. I don't know, I'll figure out. Definitely I'll put something like that is necessary for my kitchen life, because this is going to be placed at the kitchen counter. You're gonna see in a few. And then what else did I get? I feel like I got something else. Yes, you guys, let me show you the last thing. Is there anything else in here? No, these are my sunglasses. Let me show you. OMG, I also got this today. Look at this. Look at this. You're gonna see it in a couple of days when I have it hung up, I think, in my living room or my bedroom. But I got this piece as a gift today. Honestly, I hadn't even like planned, not a gift because I kind of demanded to get it. But I got this today and it looks so nice. I love it. Like, I love everything about it. It looks beautiful. We can just unwrap it together. Okay, now I'm done with it. Wow, and it's so white. So there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Really pretty. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Pretty excited about today's errands. Honestly, pretty excited. So I'll just show you guys like how my kitchen looks like with this new baby of mine. And then in a couple of days, once I get this artwork, painting, whatever it is, hung up, I'll also show you guys in my next video probably. So yeah, thank you guys for catching up with me. Before I leave, let me show you guys how my new kitchen looks like. So excited!